everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a decorate with me. Let's do this. So while decorating this year's Christmas tree, I will be sharing some tips I am using to decorate. Tip number 1. So to give your tree a frosted look, I used this can of snow that I purchased from Dollar General for $1.75. Tip number 2. So I used a box underneath the tree to heighten the tree. Okay, now that I have finished putting all the lights on the tree, I want to see if everything is going to work right with the device. I don't want to say the name, but we're going to check it out and see if it is working. Amazon, turn on the lights in the living room.
Okay.
I love having the Amazon devices hooked up to the Christmas lights because it makes it very convenient when we're leaving the room and we're not in here anymore, or just when we just want to turn off the lights without unplugging everything. So my theme for this year is a rustic, cozy wonderland. So typically I usually decorate my tree the day after Thanksgiving. This is the first time that I have decorated it before Thanksgiving. So drop me a comment down below and let me know, have you gotten a chance to do any decorating in your house for Christmas? Tip number 3, use ribbon and large ornaments to fill in open spaces within the tree.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love.
Tip number 4, if your tree is to the back of the wall, place most of your ornaments in the front and on the sides of your tree.
A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
So the last 2 ornaments that I will be applying are specialty ornaments. They are from Wayne State and Western Michigan, where my husband and I both graduated from. Fun fact time. So, Carol of Bells is one of my favorite Christmas songs. All right, you guys, so I am just about finished with this decorating here. It has taken me pretty much most of the day.
Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper. are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Listening